do a little float down these small rapids. Might need to take a quick pause at one of these sections, but pretty chill. Robbers Fall, that's okay too. Anyway, so today we're just gonna enjoy being in nature the best way, one of the best ways, which is being out on the river. Yeah, okay. A little shaky. So yeah, got my homies back here. It's a beautiful day. Don't get much better than that. So what'd you do this weekend to get outside? Enjoy what nature has to offer. Lots of people around here getting out. Good to see. We were just having a conversation about kind of the preference over having people be around or not. That's always a tough one because I think the more people that are doing this kind of thing, being outside, enjoying nature, the more people that are going to protect it. But every time you're out here, you're just like, oh man, I wish there was no one out here. But that right there is a big reason why we need to protect more wild spaces, so that more people can enjoy them. And kind of relating back to what I've been doing earlier, or previously this last week, last couple days, getting your garden going, growing your own food, improving your life in that way, being more sustainable. All those things are going to eventually get back to helping people protect more wild spaces. Obviously population is going crazy and there's just little developments coming up everywhere, it seems like. But if you can offset some of that by doing your own thing, growing a lot of your own food, and living a sustainable life, you're likely to be able to protect more wild spaces. It's my homie Jess here, laughing at me, making fun of me. So, that's all for today. We're just enjoying the river. That's what it's about.
But is there a way you can come to the river? So you will see me, right? That way.
Yeah.
So we're here at the mountain bridge, and Ross just exited his craft. We're about to hit rock. Just kidding. I saved us. That's right, because I'm awesome.
Hey, thanks for getting my boat, brah.
I got you.
We're going without you, man.